In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Canva. If you need to fix a typo, update a headline, or clean up a paragraph inside your Canva design, this process is much easier than it might seem. Canva gives you simple tools to change text without rebuilding your whole layout. And once you know where to click, it becomes very quick. First, open Canva and go to your main dashboard. From there, look through your recent designs or open the Projects section from the left-hand sidebar if you need to find an older file. Once you locate the design you want to work on, open it so it loads into the editor. This gives you access to the full canvas and all the elements inside your project. When your design is open, the next thing you want to do is select the exact text box you plan to change. Move your cursor over the text and click it once. You should see a colored outline appear around the text box along with handles on the corners. That outline confirms the text element is selected, which is important because it helps you avoid moving other graphics or background elements by mistake. To start editing the actual wording, double-click inside that selected text box. You'll see a blinking cursor appear, which means Canva is now in typing mode. From here, you can click anywhere in the text to place the cursor and make a small correction. Or you can drag across the text to highlight a larger section and replace it completely. If you're updating a heading, try to keep it concise so it still fits cleanly within the space you already designed. After your text is updated, you can refine how it looks using the toolbar at the top of the editor. Highlight the text you want to format, then use the options in that toolbar to change the font, adjust the size, update the color, or fine-tune spacing. This is especially helpful if your new wording is longer or shorter than the original, because small adjustments can help maintain a polished, balanced look. Once everything reads the way you want, take a moment to review the alignment. Click the text box once and gently move it if needed. As you drag, Canva will show alignment guides on the canvas to help you line the text up properly with other elements. These guides are useful for keeping your design neat and visually balanced. And finally, remember that Canva saves your changes automatically as you work, so you don't need to worry about manually saving every edit. When you're happy with the result, you can use the share option in the top right corner to download or send out your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.